In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Trello with Google Drive. Integrating these two robust platforms can greatly enhance your productivity by streamlining the way you store and access files right from your Trello cards. So, let's dive in and walk through this process. To begin, open your Trello board where you want to enable the integration. In the top right corner, you'll spot the rocket ship icon. Give that a click. This icon is your gateway to adding more functionality to your Trello boards. Once you've clicked on it, you'll want to choose the option for Add Power-Ups. Now, if you're unfamiliar with power-ups, don't worry. They are simply plugins developed by third-party developers designed to expand the features of Trello and personalize it to suit your needs. Once you've entered the Power-Up section, it's time to incorporate the magic of Google Drive. In the search bar, type Google Drive by Trello. You'll see it pop up in the search results. Go ahead and click the Add button. This will incorporate Google Drive functionality into your Trello board. After the Google Drive power-up is successfully added, you'll notice the button you just clicked has now been replaced with a Settings button. Click on that Settings button to open up the Configuration menu. Within this menu, you'll want to select Edit Power-Up Settings. From here, you'll need to link your Google Drive account. So, click on Link Google Drive Account. If prompted, follow the instructions to provide the necessary permissions, allowing Trello access to your Google Drive. Once your account is linked, you're all set to begin integrating your files into Trello cards and make full use of this powerful feature. Now let's see how you can attach files from Google Drive to a Trello card. First, open up the Trello card you wish to enhance. At the bottom of the toolbar, look for the Power-Ups icon and click on it. A menu will pop up. From that menu, select the Google Drive Power-Up. Now you have a few options at your disposal. The ability to create and attach a new Google file, attach a file already stored in your Drive, or attach a folder if you want to link multiple files at once. And there you have it. With these steps, you can now effortlessly connect your Trello boards with Google Drive, making task management and file sharing more seamless than ever. This integration can significantly boost your workflow, allowing you to focus more on the tasks at hand without the hassle of switching between platforms. Thank you for joining today, and I hope you find this connection as helpful as many others do. Enjoy optimizing your productivity.